Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this question we're gonna solve this birthday cake candle problem. So it's also a warm-up question. Let's just read the question first. Like in here we are in charge of the cake for a child's birthday. You have decided the cake will have one candle for each year of the total age. They will only be able to blow out the tallest of the candle. Count how many candles are the tallest. Okay. So here they have this candle array, and in here we need to count the maximum value. That means the tallest candle, and then count the occurrence for that tallest candle. Like in here we have 4 2 times. We need to return 2 as the output here. Okay, so just code this thing. So I'm declaring this tallest candle variable and using this max function, it will give me the maximum value for this candle array. Okay, now I'm using this for loop for I in range len of this array. It will give me the size of this uh, candles array. Hanji. And then I'm using this if condition for checking if this candle's values will match to the tallest candle. Then I need to count the occurrence for that tallest candles, है ना? वही return करना है ना यहाँ पे. So then return the count. ठीक है जी? Simple. Let's just run it. Oh, that is giving. Why it is giving this? Okay, I need to I haven't declared this count variable here, so that's why it's giving me an error. Let's just rerun it. It's passing. Let's submit it. Check for all the test cases. So it's passing all the test cases here. Okay, we can use another approach as well here. Like, let me tell you that as well. Okay. So if we just return it, like what we need to return, candles count. We have this count function as well, which will count the occurrences of anything we give within this parenthesis. So we'll give the max candles. So here we will give 3. If this is the array, consider this array for this one. Okay, so for max candles it will be like 4. So it will count, this count function will count the occurrences for this 4 and will return it. Okay, so it will be a single line code, Naji. So it's also passing. Let's submit it then. So you have 2 solutions for this. You can use any of them. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.